gilan bago ka mag-react or mag-act out doon sa implicit attitude mo, tumigil ka muna. Isipin mo muna kung itong sasabihin mo or gagawin. Hello, good day everyone, and this is Philip. Welcome back to Psychology and Social Issues, and today is June 14, 2025, and we're going to have another discussion of psychology-related topics. And for today's video, we'll be talking about a topic related to social psychology. And what is that? We'll be talking about dual attitude system. Okay, so I'm going to share now my slides. Okay, stay tuned until the end of this video. So because I'll be presenting common social issues related to dual systems for a clearer application of this particular topic. And then probably I'm going to have another video for a specific still related to dual attitude system, and focus more on its application in social issues right now. Okay, so stay tuned and sit back and relax. Okay, so I'm going to share. Yeah, I already have the slides. So let's start talking about dual attitude system. So this is a very short video, short discussion. Again, as I mentioned, this subject or this topic is usually discussed under the subject of social psychology. Okay, now what is dual attitude system? Dual attitude, it means it refers to the idea that an individual can have two different attitudes about something, both an implicit attitude and an explicit attitude. So, I think all of us are familiar with implicit and explicit. Implicit, inside, explicit, external, or you may put it this way: implicit is a natural behavior or natural attitude, whereas explicit attitude is somehow controlled attitude. So let's try to understand these two or differentiate these two for a clear understanding. Okay, so controlled processing or explicit attitude, sometimes called controlled processing, the attitude is deliberate, reflective, and conscious. So that's your reference point of understanding explicit. So when you are facing a specific situation and you forcefully, or not necessarily forcefully, but you deliberately think or process, and you are conscious of what you're thinking with that specific situation, and that's what we call explicit attitude. Now, on the other hand, automatic processing or implicit attitude, sometimes called automatic processing from the term itself, automatic. So the thinking process is effortless, habitual, or it's flowing naturally without any awareness. Okay, so roughly corresponds to intuition. Okay, so let's put it in an actual situation. Okay, so usually in my class, I give this particular example. This is not the example I'm going to share here is not related to politics. Probably in the next video, for us to have a clear understanding and putting it in a different context. Okay, so usually this is my example. In my class, I give this particular example. Okay, so here in the Philippines, we have this public transportation system, jeepney, bus, so on and so forth. Okay, and the traditional bus wherein you'll be sitting like that, facing one another, are still useful right now. They are not totally phased out, and we're still using it. So usually, or in our day-to-day experiences, if you are riding a jeepney, um, you get to encounter different kinds of people sitting beside you in the jeepney. And several times, personally, I've seen and observed people react differently when an individual, physically unpleasant, will go inside the jeepney and would try to sit down to anyone. Those individuals who are already sitting down inside the jeepney will try to stay away. So I don't know if you've experienced this one. Okay? So one time eto na experience ko, again, may kaharap ako estudyante, at the same time meron ding isa nagtatrabaho. And then suddenly may sumakay. Well, kung titignan nyo, hindi talaga anong tawag nito? Yung hindi talaga maganda yung kasuotan, naka-shorts lang, yung parang yung physically payat. So usually yung initial first tingin mo ay parang nakikita mong parang addict, parang ganyan talaga. Pero hindi nga, the fact that hindi nga natin kilala yung tao, so most likely it is unfair for us to judge that this particular individual is like this. So it is but natural for individuals to think that way. But again, the immediate reaction doon sa mga taong nakakita doon sa bagong sumakay, kung saan parang naglumayo sila doon sa tao at nilagay nila yung cellphones nila doon sa loob ng bag nila at hinawakan or niyakap lalo yung mga bags nila. Okay? So, well, this is my own evaluation that looking at that incident, it seems like the natural behavior or the implicit attitude of the passengers towards the individual who just came in somehow manifest that their attitude towards this kind of people are probably not good. Okay, again, number one, hindi nga natin kilala kung sino yun, hindi nga tayo sigurado kung talagang masamang tao ba or tinitignan lang natin sa external na kaanyuan niya. Okay? Pero of course, habang humahaba yung biyahe, slowly, parang natatanggap ng mga pasahero na kung saan ito palang pasahero na ito na bagong sumakay, hindi pala masamang tao. Okay? So, yun nga. Bakit? Unang-una, nagbayad pa siya. Nagbayad siya. Hindi nga siya nga mismo yung parang siya pa nga yung mismong parang lumayo doon sa mga taong naka-uniform naka-school uniform at naka-uniform para sa trabaho. So parang alam niya kung anong iniisip ng ibang tao. Okay? So and then eventually parang natanggap na along the way habang nga yung biyahe. So saan pumapasok dito yung sinasabi nating dual attitude? Again, yung una, yung natural, yung implicit, yung anong tawag nito? Yung automatic processing, no? Effortless, habitual. So nasa isipan na ng tao na kung saan kapag ganito yung itsura mo, unfortunately dito sa Pilipinas, kapag ganito yung itsura mo, automatically iisipin ng mga tao na ganito ka. Okay? Yan yung, well, probably it could be an issue, that it could be a problem. Parang nagmamapatapobre yung yun nga tawag nila. Pero yun nga, dual attitude yan. Parte yan ng dual attitude natin. And then eventually, saan pumasok yung explicit attitude? Yung humahaba na yung biyahe at nag-iisip na yung mga tao, ito pala ay pasahero lang, probably ganito lang yung suot niya kasi baka nagmamadali or ano, kasi nga bumabayad pa at siya na mismo yung lumayo kasi mukhang nakikita niya yung mga facial expression ng ibang pasahero. Okay? So, is it something good or bad? Is it a dual personality? No, it's still part of our attitude. It's still okay. There's nothing wrong to have it. Everyone, walang exemption dito. Meron tayong lahat na ganyan. Okay, so ang tanong natin dito, paano ba natin mababago ito? Well, again, since automatic ito, parang hindi ito ibig sabihin na pagka nung isinilang tayo nandyan na yan, na-develop po yan throughout the years, yung attitude natin. Okay? Yun nga, probably, lumaki tayo sa isang pamilya or sa bahay na kung saan conscious yung parents natin na dapat pag lumabas ka ng bahay, maganda yung kasuotan mo, or dapat kung haharap ka ng ibang tao, dapat maganda yung kasuotan mo or presentable ka. So, most likely na-develop mo yung attitude na yun. Okay? So, anong gagawin para mabago ito? You keep on making conscious effort or parati mong balikan yung explicit attitude mo. O magiging conscious ka palagi doon sa pinag-evaluate mo. O paano? So bago ka mag-action, okay? Well, sometimes hindi mapipigilan. Bago ka mag-react or mag-act out doon sa implicit attitude mo, tumigil ka muna. Isipin mo muna kung itong sasabihin mo or gagawin mo ay inline din po ba ito sa explicit attitude mo. Di ba? Para magkatugma. Ito magandang topic ito, especially dito sa pag-usapan natin sa susunod na video dito sa related sa politics, mga ka-psychology ha. So stay tuned kayo hanggang sa next video. Kasi apply natin to. Okay? Mag-identify tayo ng politiko na palaging nagpapakita ng ganito. Okay? So I hope na intindihan ninyong lahat na ito dual attitude system. Again, huwag po kayong matakot. Natural lang yan na meron tayo. Huwag kayong magalit sa ibang tao kung paiba-iba yung reaction nila or attitude nila towards sa mga the same na bagay. Okay, natural lang yan. Kung ayaw ninyo sa kanilang implicit attitude, make them aware sa kung anong pinapakita nila na attitude para magiging conscious sila at mabago nila yan eventually. Okay? So, maraming salamat mga ka-psychology. And again, I hope may natutunan na rin na naman tayo dito sa ating channel. At again nga, ito social psychology related dual attitude system. Okay, so kung may suggestions or comments kayo, or sa suggestions for the next topic, i-comment nyo dyan. Kung meron kayong nagustuhan or hindi nagustuhan, paki-comment na rin para malaman natin kung ano ang kailangan nating baguhin dito sa ating channel. Okay, so maraming salamat at kita tayo sa susunod na video.